Hello and welcome to 3D Reviews. The best electric bike from ENGWE in 2025 combines cutting-edge technology, powerful motors, and long-lasting batteries for an unbeatable riding experience. With versatile models designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures, ENGWE bikes offer exceptional range, speed, and durability. Whether you're looking for a folding e-bike or an all-terrain powerhouse, ENGWE provides top-tier options for every rider's needs. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Designed for adventure and comfort, the ENGWE E26 electric bike features a removable 48-volt 16Ah lithium battery that provides an impressive range of up to 87 miles in assist mode. Powered by a 1000 watts motor, it can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, providing an exciting ride. Its 26.4-inch fat tires ensure excellent traction on a variety of terrains, from snow to mountains to city streets. The bike also includes a smart LCD display, providing real-time data on speed, distance, and battery status. With front and rear lights and mechanical disc brakes, it ensures a safe and comfortable ride on all surfaces. It is ideal for recreational commuting and adventurous explorations. 4. The ENGWE P20 electric bike is a perfect choice for urban commuters, offering a lightweight, foldable design with an aluminum frame that weighs just 18.5 kilograms. It features a removable 36 volts 9.6Ah battery, providing up to 100 kilometers of travel in assist mode, or 30 kilometers in pure electric mode. The 250 watts motor allows for a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, ensuring smooth acceleration and excellent climbing ability. With front and rear brakes, a carbon belt chain, and an OLED display, this e-bike guarantees both comfort and safety. The IPX6 waterproof rating and high-strength tires make it ideal for all-weather riding. It's the perfect solution for daily commuting with convenience and efficiency. 3. The ENGWE M22.0 is an exceptional all-terrain electric bike, perfect for adventurous riders. With a dual battery system offering up to 162 miles in PA mode, this e-bike ensures long-lasting power for outdoor activities like mountain biking, fishing, and leisure riding. The 1200 watts peak brushless motor delivers an impressive 28 miles per hour top speed, while its full suspension and 203mm hydraulic disc brakes provide a smooth and safe ride. The 20 inches fat tires offer superior grip, making it ideal for any terrain. Its sleek moped-style design and bright lighting system make it perfect for both day and night rides. This e-bike combines performance, comfort, and style for the ultimate adventure. 2. The ENGWE LE20 Cargo e-bike is an incredible solution for long-distance travel and transportation needs. Equipped with a powerful 1300 watts motor, it offers 28 miles per hour in PA mode and a remarkable range of up to 211 miles with its optional dual 48 volts 38.4Ah battery. The durable 20.3-inch puncture-resistant tires and front shock absorbers provide smooth rides across all terrains, while the extended rear rack and multiple accessories make it versatile for carrying cargo, kids, or pets. Safety features like turn signals, hydraulic disc brakes, and a safety board ensure worry-free rides. This e-bike is ideal for those looking to transport goods or enjoy adventure with added comfort and security. 1. The ENGWE X24/X26 1200 watts electric bike offers an impressive combination of power, range, and durability for adventurous riders. With a 48 volts 19.2Ah battery, it reaches speeds of up to 31 miles per hour and handles slopes and rough terrain with ease with its advanced drive system. The dual battery configuration provides an incredible range of up to 94 miles, and 3 riding modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, allow you to customize your experience. The 3-stage suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on challenging surfaces, while the foldable frame provides ultimate comfort. 24 by 4.0-inch motorcycle tires provide exceptional traction, and smart bike features like cruise control and an LCD interface enhance safety and functionality.